Hey everyone. I know it's been about 2 weeks. I got sick again and it was during the holidays. So glad to be back. And the first thing I used was I little by little I've been collecting Physicians Formula, the Rose collection. It's the Rose All Day, Rose All Stay, Rose All Play. That's what they name it. So they have a cleanser. They have a setting spray. Um, they have a night cream, a day cream with SPF. They have eye cream. Um, then they have an oil-free serum and a beauty elixir. So I use the night cream with the beauty elixir. I didn't want to use the day cream because I don't have the car, so I'm not going out today. My husband's at some work shindig. I did use the eye cream and the cleanser. Oh, and they made a clay mask. It's really weird. I thought this was just a stick that you put all over your face. They made three, like a charcoal, a white tea or something, and the rose. So I picked up the rose, and I thought but it's not. It's actually like a mask in there. So I did try this mask. Let me tell you, all of that stuff, it smells heavenly, and it made my skin feel heavenly. So I forgot to try this out. Went ahead and put the serum on, and I just took one of my clean foundation brushes, and I put this on, but I don't think I put enough of this. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more and see how this works. This is a flat foundation brush. I usually get like a medium to natural tone foundation. Since I cover my face a lot, sometimes the medium is too dark now. Oh, it smells kind of funny, but let's just see if this gives me a better coverage. I put a little bit more, and I'm going to use their foundation brush. It smells weird. I don't know. But so far I'm liking so far I'm liking it. I like how it isn't very dense. It's a little dense, but it is ultra soft, so I kind of wondered if it would work, but so far I like the coverage it's giving me. This is so beautiful. I really, really love this. So I'm going to use this brush. It's like the domed. And I think I'm going to put this pretty color right here all over my eye. Not on the brow bone, but all over on the crease part and the lid part. So it's kind of like I'm kind of making it a transition color and the lid color, even though I'm gonna probably put other stuff over it. Okay. It does have fallout, but that never really bothered me. At least it's powdery when you're using it. So I'm going to take this same brush and dip it in this color right here on the bottom. I'm going to use it as my crease color. And then I'm gonna go into this cream color right here, right down here, and I'm going to use that as my highlighting color. And go back over it with the brush for the contour color. I'm gonna go into this beautiful metallic color right there, and I believe I'm using the concealer brush for that. Let's put that on the wow, that is really pretty. Putting that right directly on the lid. So, these brushes, I don't necessarily use them for what their intention is. I use it for whatever I feel is best for me. Personally, I like putting on concealer with a sponge. So that is really beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and just put that in the outer corner, the concealer color. I'm just putting a little bit more in the outer corner here. And just blending it again. And getting a little more of that metallic-y color. I'm just trying to get in my inner corner as well. Just blend this just a little bit more, see if I can get more color. Just try to get it right. And so that's the eyes. Of course, I got to finish the eye. So let's see how this works. Oh, well, I like that applicator. It's not too thick. Let me just... It says that it's supposed to lash lifting blend, extra volume. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. And it's supposed to have the rose oil in it. Maybe it's good for your lashes as well. But I put kind of 2 coats because the first coat I didn't really get all my lashes, and I have to say that I like it. So with a couple more coats, I think it's gonna look really nice. So let me just finish my eyes, and I will come back for the highlighter and the blush and the lips. All right, so I did my eyes, and I want to say I try to put like eyeshadow underneath like a lot of these women do, but my eyes are so deep set, it just makes it look older. It doesn't look right. It just looks, I don't know, like I got a big wrinkle there or something. I already got enough wrinkles. I don't need that. Alright, so I decided to go with Pinch Me Pink. Okay. And we're going to use this brush. See how that goes? Let's see how that goes. had to put a lot, and it kind of looks like a peachy pink. I'm gonna go with this highlighter that this one's just called Petal Glow. Soft pad. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush here. Nice. I like to put it on my temples. Put some on my nose. Now let's try this. Alright, let's try this. It's probably too fat for my nose. I'm gonna try it on my nose anyway. I'm almost finished with my my Wet n Wild. So I always put it, I don't like that bump on my nose, so I always put it like this. Not bad. Let me just. And I usually use a darker color, my Milani. And this one's that limited edition Dolce or whatever. And it's kind of dark, and that's like too red. This side is too like rosy colored for me, so I just mix them together. I'm gonna go across my chin like that. I don't like, you know, when to put it right there. I like my blush to color my cheeks, so let's see how well this is gonna blend out. It's so cool listening to this. And I just go down. That's how I do. Now, I definitely wouldn't use that balm. It really didn't make a difference when I took the pictures. But this is supposed to be an all-over illuminating powder, so let's see how that goes. And plus, this is like a really soft powder brush, so it shouldn't be too bad. I will probably just use that balm on my lips. Here goes. I always try to blend out my chin with my face powder and my blush and highlight. I think my face looks kind of illuminated, yes. It's not supposed to be a highlighter per se. Let's try this all over spray. See how that works. Okay. Doesn't taste bad. I'm not really a fan of citrus, but decided to go with the mauve out of here. So I'm using the Milani pencil. Yeah, it's pretty pink. Not a fan of matte. I like to put a gloss over it. So that's the finished look. Maybe I put some clear gloss on it. Let me see. I just don't like mattes too much. There we go. There you go. That feels better. This is my Primrose Lip Oil from Yes 2. I'm a huge fan of Yes 2. So yeah, so that is the finished look. But let me tell you that illuminating powder, I could see my skin is illuminated in the camera, but when I look in the mirror, I have a lot of large pores and it accentuates all the pores on my face. So not exactly what I would want. So I guess I would probably just use it when I just want something, a very light highlighter, on my face, because it's really doesn't show like this highlighter is nice and rosy colored that you could barely tell when you saw it on my in the swatches. So anyway, this is the finished look, and so yeah, next week I will try to incorporate one of these in my look for next week. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, I will most likely incorporate these.